Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is Happy Mail. I received Happy Mail from Patty, you guys. And it came in this pink, I just put pink up here, but it came in this pink wrapping, and I'm super excited to get into this. As well as making a video, and it's been like 2 or 3 weeks already since I haven't made a video. I know the last video was made a while ago, which was recently posted, but I am so happy to get this and I'm excited to open it. So let's get into it. Her social media is Mommy and Me Crafts. I will have her linked below. So it's just a small little Happy Mail, but definitely appreciated. Thank you so much. So here we go, you guys. So I opened this box and it's decorated right here with some stickers and some flowers. And then she has this tissue paper right here. So let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, look at this. How beautiful is this? Here's a card. It says, hello, my lovely. You know what? I love to use all of these cards that come in our collections, whether it says I love you or whatever. It's all crafty love, right? So let's go ahead and see what she says. Hello, V. I was so super excited to receive your package. The sweetest box of crafty goodies ever. Here is a little thank you, Patty. Thank you so much, Patty. I really appreciate this. And a PS, glue stopper is super delicate. Oh, she gave me a peek into this. So let's get into it, you guys. I can't wait. Let's see. Ooh, I see these cabochons. And these are super cute. I have not seen these before. See what they are. Okay, so these are like, ooh, these are really cute. I love the colors as well. Look at that. I've been so out of loop with everything, you guys, since I've been spring cleaning my home. I misplaced a lot of stuff, so I have no idea where a lot of my stuff is. And I have been lacking on videos as well. I barely started commenting on some videos, but these are so cute. I love them, Patty. Thank you so much. But yeah, it's been a while, you guys, and I have been in such a rut as well. Not a crafty rut, but more like a video editing rut. I seriously haven't been making videos because I don't want to make a video. I don't want to take the time to make the video and also edit. Oh my goodness. I don't know. My setup is so, it's such a hassle to get to it. So I think that's why. So let's see what this is. Oh, Patty, no, you did not. No, you did not make me a TN insert. Oh my goodness. I have been hoping to swap with her because we're both in Shar Crane's Crafty Pals, and I've been hoping to swap with her there so we could trade TNs, and she sent me one. Oh, and it says V, you guys. It says V, and it has a B right there. Thank you so much, Patty. I love this. Look at that. I could put like journal cards right there. This is so cute, Patty. Thank you so much. And look what she did to these hearts right here. Love that. And then she added some stickers. Beautiful, beautiful insert right here. I hope my lighting's okay. Let's see here. Okay. Oh my goodness, Patty. What is this? No, you did not. No, you did not send me this. Patty, stop it. Just stop. Oh my God, I see what's in there. Okay, let's go ahead and dig in. So, oh my goodness, I love these envelopes. I love them. I have not been able to get a hold of them, and I appreciate you sending me this envelope. My goodness, my Our stores are so slow to get stuff in, but I love this. Thank you so much, Patty. I'm gonna move it to the side because it's messing up my filming here. Oh my goodness, Patty, stop here. Oh my God. Patty, look at this. Isn't this cute? It's a pokey tool. And oh my goodness, you sent a miniature one as well. Are you guys seeing this? I have not seen anyone make a miniature one. And it has a bee right there. Oh my God. Patty, look at this. This is so cute, you guys. Oh my God, look at the miniature one. How cute is this mini? And she put a bee on it. Stop it right now, Patty. I love this. I still need to get some of this chain right here. I like the smaller chain for the pokey tools. But how cute is that? And it's a bee. I love bees. Thank you so much, Patty. I think this is a glue stopper, huh? And then this one's the pokey tool. I love it, Patty. Thank you so much. You guys have to check her out if you don't know who Mommy and Me Crafts is. She's super talented, very talented, and I love her crafty. So amazing. So thank you for that. Okay, let's see what this is. No, she did not send me. Girl, you did not have to do this. You guys know I love charms, and look at all these charms she sent. I'm going to turn it over so you can see the other ones. Cupcakes, snow cones. I love this. Just in time for a swap. Thank you so much. Okay, now this. Okay, this is like a little, little banner or tag, and look at this, you guys. Oh my goodness, Patty. This is beautiful. You did an amazing job here, girl. Amazing. Look at that, you guys. Super amazing. I love this, and it's a clipboard. Okay, I'm gonna turn it over so you could see. But a little clipboard, and she has this cluster right here, so cute. And then I'm afraid to take this off because I don't want it to mess up. So I'm just gonna leave that there, yeah. I'm gonna leave it there. So just look at that, you guys. Amazingness, amazingness. Thank you so much, Patty. I appreciate you so much. I wanted to surprise her, and she's surprising me over here. Thank you, Patty. I appreciate this so much. You guys go ahead and check her out. I will have her linked below. And I miss videos, you guys. I am coming back very soon. My children are almost done with school, and as you know, I do homeschool, which is it is public homeschooling, but it's nothing like remote learning, what everyone's doing who are in the brick and mortar schools. This school is specifically online, and I am the teacher, so everything is just teacher's guide is handed to me, and then I go ahead and do everything. But they've been testing. That's why they're at the end of the school year. They've been state testing, and we have to get papers in, and everything is just chaotic. And also me spring cleaning. Yeah, there's no time. There is no time, you guys. But I seriously want to make something. I miss doing my series. I need to come up with another series for summer somehow. And then again, my Halloween series. Okay, I'm just going off topic here, but yeah, I'm coming back. That is the main point, is I'm coming back. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.